How do I deal with what I'm feeling? Maybe I just don't. What you do when I'm in ruins, all alone. I'm all alone. I'm all alone, and I know nothing to do. Helps me find.
Hi, good day, guys. Welcome once again to my channel. I am your girl, Star Pollyanna, and today we are going to be doing some head wraps, some turban wraps. I posted recently with one of my friends and they that came by, and she was like, oh my god, you did that so good. Let me go bring it there. She's like, oh Polly, you did that so good. Star, you did that so good. Can you show me how to do it? And I was like, you know what, why not? So while getting ready to hang out, go out with Huzzy today, I decided to just stop for a brief second to show you guys some lovely head wraps. Normally I do like this and I go out every day out and about just running around, and I get a lot of compliments. A lot of people just love how my dreads look, and they're like, oh my god, it looks so hectic. They love it. But then I get little haters, but I don't care. So today is all about the turbans and the wraps and the head wraps. So hope you guys like this one. Go grab something to drink. Of course, I always have something on deck. I have my flask and I'm drinking a lot of water because my doctors want me to be a good girl, and I'm going to be a good girl. So without further ado, let's get some of the preliminaries out of the way. Don't forget to go like, comment, subscribe, and share. Shoot up in the comment section. Let me know which one was your favorite one, which one you would do, if you wouldn't, why, if you would, why. You know, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Shoot it up in the comment section for your girl. It'll be greatly appreciated. And for those who are here for the very first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to do some of those things. It helps the algorithm that you like what you saw, and it will help me in some shape, some form, and it's free. Thank you so much. And for all of my OGs who come time and time again, high five and party to you guys. Thank you so much for always coming, liking, subscribing, sharing a comment down below. I really see you and appreciate it. So I have a number of different pieces on today. And I was literally going to wear a brown one, and I'm like, you know what, let me make this video. So you guys are sitting in my makeup station where I get my makeup done before I leave out and go tape or whatever. So this one I had on earlier today, I'm gonna take it off. Excuse how girl hair looks, but we're not here about the hair, we are here about the turban situation. Yep. So this is what I look like most of the times with my dreads, you know. So the one I'm going to be moving back. I'm going to be moving a lot. I hope you guys don't mind. So I'm going to bend my head forward and show you which one I'm going to do first, and you can enjoy it with some music in the background. That's what I was wanting to see. So go ahead and gather all of your hair. Now I have a rubber band that I'm going to use just to hold this one in place. And to be honest with you, it's all trial and error, right guys? So don't be stressing about it if you cannot get it perfect. Don't be stressing about it. So I'm going to go ahead and make this one into a bun first and foremost. And that's why the rubber band is there for. And don't make it too tight, because sometimes when you make it too tight, you can get a really bad headache. So I hope you guys enjoy these few ones that I'm showing you. You guys know a girl love a wrap. So you can use your scarf, turban pieces. This is a long piece that I have. So let's go.
We keep on the shelf. Oh, we were young. Oh, we were young. Now 10 years have passed and we're still locked in time. I don't take for granted the years that go by. Started with a gaze, here we remain. All of the moments collected in time, perfectly bound like your hand fits in mine. Lucky to find what.
And there you have the very first one. I'm going to turn to show you guys.
My heart is aching, but somehow in all the right places. You make me feel like enough.
Now if you wish, you can change your earrings, put on some nice big hoop earrings. You know, I'm wearing small earrings today, so This is what, tell me if you like it.
These tears of happiness shaking, 'cause I know that I found love. I'll never yours. I'll never yours.
So you guys saw how easy that was. If you wish, you could literally use the same one.
Always believed that after the miles we find ourselves here at the end of the aisle. Looking at me, you're looking at me. What more could I want? What more could I need? My hand,
This is if you're daring like me.
sweet symphony. You're all that I want to forever breathe.
I'm turning this a little tighter, as you can see, because as you turn it, I don't want the tassels to be dropping out. So I want to hide the tassels a little bit. Hope you guys can see really well. These are the things I sit out here and do it myself and play with certain pieces that I want to add. And I keep playing with it. Keep turning. I'm creating a flower-like effect right here. Do you see that? And then I take a safety pin. Where are my pins at? Hold on. But I preferred I didn't have this one with the head, but I could go ahead and take this and pin it in there. Just remember you put it in when you're taking it back down, right? And look at that wrap. I created like a, do you see that? Piece falling off there. Lovely, lovely head pieces. Lovely. And you're walking out. Let's just say you're dressing a little bit more fancy for the afternoon. Beautiful. It is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, let's bring some color to you. So you have to learn to play with it. If you wish, you could have taken this flower and bringing the flower all the way up here as well. You could have done that. Many, many things you could have done. You have to play with your wraps. Okay, let's go ahead with, and I have it in an orange as well too. I have so many scarves, guys. Love it. I'm gonna go up and do another one just to show you guys.
Would you take a chance? Tired of chasing ghosts. They are all gone when you love them most. So if I let you,
Taking it like this, bringing it up like this, still keeping that tension.
be stronger. Oh, I may try to break loose. Don't wait longer, 'cause there is nothing to choose. Oh,
And then I show a little bit of hair out.
oh, I may try to break loose.
Nice way to cover up the dreads without exposing too much of your hair. You guys know the summer, fall, these times of the year is coming, and sometimes you just want to relax your hair, rest it. Lovely way to rest pieces of turbans on your head. Tell me what you think about this one.
Break my spell, 'cause the darkness
I love this one.
did it well. If I let you, would you take it?
I love it, guys. Let me show you guys another piece that I have. I took with me on a trip recently over on Polly's World. If you want to see that, I'm going to put a thumbnail on the screen so you can enjoy that content. That's the thumbnail to look for to enjoy that content. And I used this one of my really nice expensive ones, and I'll show you guys how I wrapped it.
Oh, I may try.
So as you can see, they're not that complicated to do, we're not. I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down. So I fold it into half, and then I folded it like twice. Then I'm gonna go back here like this. This is just how I like it when I'm hanging out. Just basic, quiet day. Push it back just a little bit. Showcase some of my hair because I wear spectacles. Just a regular basic tie. Then I put my glasses on, my shades on, and I'm out and about. Tell me what you guys think. Very simple. Let's just say this is one that you just have to get up and run out. Just run out the house and you have to go. You don't have time to stop and do anything or get, you just barely did your makeup and you just have to get your hair up and go. This is a lovely one as well. Let's try something else. This happens to be a short one. So you can also do, let's see, for my girls who like this. Some of these pieces I also sell on my website as well at shoppollysworld.com, so you can check out the pieces that I have.
You hold on to what you have.
Love to do all sorts of little, that's just me.
Teary-eyed saying I'm all you want. Maybe next try, maybe next time.
Another one with the same.
Keep on talking, but I'm already gone. You had your shot, but you went about it all wrong.
You have to be daring though. I am. I'm very daring. So I'm the girl who will put these things like, yep, and then walk on out. Put on a lovely dress piece and feel very comfortable, safe within myself at an event. You know what I mean? Yeah, very lovely piece as well.
Just put you out of chances.
Okay, let's do something else.
Crying over the love that you had.
Sometimes I tie my hair low, so yes, I have a rubber band because I like them. It just gives me most amount of flexibility to do with my dreads. It's the big rubber bands and they stretch so well. So I put my hair in a low bun and then I'm going to go forward like this with this. Even parts. All the way back. That's some days when I want my hair up and I just don't want it out too much. So I'll do this. Keep rolling. I like to have a little bit of hair out, so I always push this back a little bit. Keep rolling. Roll in the opposite direction for the two. You can go like this. Keep rolling. Instead of always being on the ground, I need to know. And remember not to tie it too tight. Because if you tie it too tight and you're out somewhere, you can get a really bad headache. So you have to remember that. Just tie it nice and soft so you can wear it throughout the entire day, especially if you have it on your head the entire day. So this is another look that I like to do sometimes when I'm stepping out. I have that widow's peak, so I poke that in a little bit, just a little bit. Now if you wish, you can comb some baby hairs down and stuff like that. That's up to you. This is what it looks like. Nice big hoops if you want. You can put some big hoops on. Up to you. It's endless. Side. I can barely hear you. But your words speak much louder than all my fears. Let me show you what the back looks like. Very, very comfy. And all of my hair is inside. Love it, love it, love it. So, here what? I was gonna do one more. I do one more. You know what, guys? I think I'll end it here. Hope you guys like this one. I don't want it to be long. I want it to be really short and sweet. If you like what I did, I have more pieces. I have another brown one. I have another yellow. If you want to see more pieces like what I can do and how you could do and incorporate it as well, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to go like, comment, subscribe, and share. Shoot up in your comment section for your girl me, Star Polly. I bring you all that good meaty juicy content here every Sunday on my channel between the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. If you don't see no video after 8 p.m. because there isn't any video to post, but because of the type of girl that I am, I'm very integral. I try my best to come out here every Sunday with something beautiful to bring to you guys. I hope you guys like this one. I think I'm going to keep this one on today, and I'm going to step out with my babe. This is so beautiful. I'm not vlogging today, so these are sometimes what I wear when I'm not vlogging. It's peaceful, it's quiet, all of my hair is in, and I like it. I'm probably gonna just throw my jacket on. Let me show you guys my jacket if you care. Wait. So yeah, I'll keep this one because it's gonna blend. Hold on. I picked this new jacket up at where did I get this? I got it at Walmart. Beautiful. So this is gonna look lovely together with this. Oh my god, once I step in Walmart, I saw it and I was like, this is so beautiful. I was going to wear the brown today with it because I normally do brown as well. Let me show you guys what the whole outfit. I know this is not a fashion haul today, but I have my jumper on as per usual, getting dressed, and I picked this up. Beautiful at Walmart. Let me just slide my chair back. Sorry. Right there. Pick this up at Walmart. Lovely. So I say, you know what? While I was doing my hair, let me come on in and show you. I hope you guys enjoyed this one on today. I'll see you guys next week, Sunday, in the next one. Don't forget, stay safe, stay blessed. Do not make anyone interrupt your day. I am not. We're just going to go hang out, have something to eat as husband and wife. Hope you guys like this one as well. I really wanted to bring you pieces of how normally I wrap my hair sometimes when I'm going out, and I feel very comfortable, safe, confident in it. So do not make anyone ruffle your feathers or tell you anything about anything. I'm always leaving you guys with some encouragement. I hope you guys are blessed by this one. If you like it, let me know, so then I'll probably create some more, because I have a whole drawer load of scarves and headpieces. You guys know I'm from the islands and we tie our hair a lot. This is something that is just so near and dear to us. So I'm like, my husband's like, you do it a lot, showcase it then, show them. So I'm bringing it today. I hope you guys like this one. I'll see you guys next week Sunday. I'm gonna ramble. I'm gonna stop rambling on. I really like bringing you guys nice content that is meaningful, that is valuable, that you too can use in your own world. So next week Sunday, I hope you guys enjoy this. Headbands and my turban wraps. Stay safe and stay blessed.
House by the lake, bought that. Ops to the brakes, draw back. Paddock on my wrist, I'ma hit him with a drip. They gon' pay the VIP to get a pic with me. I'm a star. Brand new keys to the car. I'm the boss and the king and the czar.